these are our commercial cleaning mops. They come in 4 different colours: yellow, red, blue and green, to colour coordinate where you will be mopping. Within our mop packages, they come with a spare part. So like most mop handles, this part tends to break at the bottom. Our mops are 400 grams, all the same. Great construction. And if you buy one of our mop heads, we also have our mop handles to go, which is the spare part that I showed earlier. This is the spare part here for this end of the mop handle. So we're using screws that are more durable, not like the original rivets that would come loose and crack. We're using screws. These also come in 4 different colours and are compatible with our mops. They are 1.5, so you get a longer reach area when you're cleaning and mopping your floors. You can cover a wider area. Our mop handles are made from aluminium, smooth, sleek style, 1.5 meters long. Our mop handles and mop heads are ideal for commercial spaces such as restaurants, office spaces. They can even be used in workshops. 400 grams, ideal. They will take the robust of any floor that you put to the test. Our mop heads are designed to withstand heavy duty degreasers and heavy duty chemicals without falling apart and leaving little traces of mop all over your floors. Our mop heads, after a couple of uses, if you want to wash your mop, I would recommend putting it in the washing machine. Put it in the washing machine, put it on a short cycle, spin out, and then just air dry it outside on the clothesline. To purchase any of our products, simply add them to your cart and head over to checkout. Enter your details and shipping address, select your preferred shipping method, choose your payment option and click place order. And here's the best part: if you place your order before 2 p.m, you'll receive it the very next working day. Please note, delivery is unavailable on weekends.